little video on fan replacement on the Yaesu FT-101E. That's where the fan goes. That's the gasket sitting in there. I don't have to replace it. It's perfectly fine. But I did get another one in the kit. This is the fan that I purchased. It's in very good shape. It's not a mess at all. And I plugged it into the back of the radio right here. Can't see where I'm pointing, and it ran just fine. This is the other one. This is what I just took out of there. This would not run at all. Nothing. It's just, I mean, look at it. It's messy. So I got to tear that up, and they all tear down. You can rebuild them and everything. I just didn't want to take the time to do it. I want to have a second one. I want to have a backup fan in case one goes south while we're operating on purpose and not just for fun. That's the one that came out. That was a Snowball FT-101E from the dude in Canada that lied about the radio being mint condition. This is the mint condition radio I'm working on right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back on. This is going to go on basically in the same spot. Let's see, this is a smaller iPad, it's harder to hold. Okay, this is just going to sit on there like that, screw it in, take this, plug it into there, right there. Yeah, and get it all bolted back down, 4 screws with washers right there, the ones that come with the radio. Originally are Phillips heads, not the little square ones that people use for replacement kits. So, look for that if you're going for detail when it goes to restoring one of these things. This is the clip that goes on the wire that just holds it out of the way. Right there. That goes on this thing and it holds it back out of the way. So, alright, that's it, man. That's a field replacement basket right there. You can keep the entire radio jacked into your rig any way you want, or however it is. You don't have to undo anything. You just go in there, you pull out those 4 screws, and don't lose them because they're small. Pull that off. If the gasket needs replaced, do so. If not, don't worry about it. I don't understand how a gasket can fail back there unless it got soaked. But that's cool. And that's what's up. So there you go, man. All right, Lenny, N8XLQ, November 8, X-Ray Lima, go back over here in Huron, Ohio, playing around with the shack stuff. There's all that. So this one right here, Sea-Dog, Snowball's getting a new fan. Sea-Dog's just banging away like he's supposed to. Using this thing to get audio processing, so I can find out where to throw a notch. And I just picked this one up yesterday. It's kind of hard to see without the light on it. This is a neat little bugger. A friend of mine wants to buy a Harley, so I threw money at his Harley by buying this radio. It's FT-101E Fan. Get the power supply for it in a couple days and get up and running. All right, man. I'll talk to you guys later. This is Lenny. I know I haven't been out here lately. N8XLQ. We'll have some more videos here for you before too long. I got a lot of work to do out here. All right, guys. Take care.